there's a M4, and after that I think it's clear, yeah, clear. And then bang! He would kill me, huh? He's like, oh sorry, oh sorry. There was a car coming. Is this a real GTS? I think so, huh? Because of the headlights.
Yeah?
Yes, but I think so. Let's see, catch him. Want to see?
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, I think there's a crash here in Hatzenbach, no? So yeah, we're gonna catch him. Change gear again. Use the car on the gas. No braking anywhere. Never hesitate here. And now brake hard. Here, straight up. Nice. If the brakes, brake harder here. Really hard. Nice. In. Gas. In. Gas. On the brakes here. Give the brakes in. Gas. Not that. All the way on. Gas. Use the gas if you need. Nice. On the gas. And hard the brakes here. Wait. In. There's nothing. Gas. Gas. Use the curve if you need a little bit. Nice. Keep on the inside. Change gear. Wait more on the outside here. Just a tap. And gas. Gas. Use the blocks if you need them. Gas. Now hard the brakes here. Careful with this guy. And go for it. Nice. Wait. In. On the gas. In. Nice. In. Tap. In. Nice. Wait. In. And out. Gas. Wait. Hard on the brakes now. Nice. In already. Gas. Trust me. Gas. Change gear. Use the slingshot so it can give you more speed through here. Change gear. Hard. Lift. Gas.
Sorry.
Don't look at them. Gas. Let jump. And hard the brakes. Careful with this guy. He's gonna be super slow here. Gas. Nice. Downshift. Nice. Wait. Keep it on the outside. Wait. Gas. Change gear. Change gear already. Change on to 6, you will see that you will come with the same speed because you are going so far downhill that you will get the speed by the car. No braking, not out. Gas. On the brakes now. And you see that it rubs more. Car here. Onto the polo. Perfect. And on the brakes here. Careful with these two guys. You can easily crash into each other. Gas. You're front wheel drive, so you can pull you out. Yeah, it's a GTS. On the gas. Change gear already. There's no point of using so much fuel here. Let the bomb out. Hard. Leave the brakes. On the gas. Out. They go out. Brake hard. In straight line. Downshift. Nice. Keep it on the inside there. Yeah, you can see how it's a GTS because of the headlights that they have like little lifts.
Okay.
That's the way, and also you can see the diff here and the exhaust.
Yeah.
That's also another thing that the GTS have.
Okay.
They are super expensive, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know why they were like 180,000 or something like that. I think
Too
it's
much.
too much, to be honest, for an M4. Where the marshals are always way lower.
Yeah.
Just where they're standing, because they actually are the ones who get on.
The gear pop out.
Go flat out and check how this guy is coming. Nice. Go to the left. Nice. Brake hard. Straight line. Hard on the brakes here. Turn your neck always here. Always planning the next corner, not this one. Gas, flat out. Change here. Out. Gas, flat out. Gas. Change here. Gas. Brake hard here. Harder. Wait. In. Gas. Hard up on the brakes. In onto him. Gas. Flat out. Gas. Change gear. Gas. flat out, don't brake here.
Yeah.
Flat out, links, flat out. Let it jump onto the right. Brake hard. Here, straight line. When you are coming properly faster, let it jump onto the right. In
Okay.
onto the Audi, gas, flat out already. Gas, 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 gas. Because normally we force it to not go to the right there.
Okay.
You can use the whole drag there. Change gear now. Out. Flat out. Gas, 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 gas. Keep it on the inside. Here is distance also. Then flow out, and straight line, and again inside and straight line only. Wait on the outside. Hard tap on the brakes. Hit the brakes. Gas, 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 gas. No leave, no leave, no leave, no leave, no leave. On the left, nice. Tap, in, gas, because of these guys only. Gas, gas. And hard the brakes. I thought he was gonna hit the Porsche, huh? Wait. In. Gas, out. Gas, 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 gas. Nice. Change gear. Gas, gas, gas. On the brakes, downshift, keep it on the inside, drop the inside there. Nice, that's good. Perfect. Gas already, flat out. Change gear. I hope we don't make him crash because he's getting too much. Change gear now, flat out. Gas, 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 gas. Get close to him. Gas, 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 gas. Nice. Up, in, gas again. Gas, 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 gas. Hard tap on the brake, turn in up to the Mercedes and out. Gas, flat out. Gas, 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 gas. Nice. No braking. Antenna turn in, don't braking. Turn in on the gas. Nice. Now braking straight line. Nice. Tap on the brakes, in, gas again, out. Gas, gas, gas. On the brakes here, wait, in, go for him. Gas, 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 gas. Hold on to the right. Nice, hard on the brakes here, in, and the gas again. Once you turn on the gas, 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 gas. Hard on the brake, wait, in, gas, 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 gas. And hard on the brakes, wait, in, gas, 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 out, gas, 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 gas. Hard brakes harder here, so you can put it in without understeering so much.
Yeah, okay.
Gas, 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 gas. Change gear. Gas, flat out. Straight line on the gas. Gas, gas, gas. Up, let it jump. Hard the brakes. On gas, 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 gas. Gas, gas, gas. Gas, 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 gas. Gas, 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 gas. Up out. Nice. Gas, 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 gas. And hard brake. Straight. Gas again, front out. Gas, 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 gas. Nice. Hard the brakes. Leave the brakes in. Gas again. Don't force it. Always open wide. That's perfect. And hard the brakes here. Nice. In. Gas, 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 gas. Out. Perfect. Keep it on the inside there. And just not tap. Careful with this guy. Gas, tap, tap. Gas, gas, gas. Out. Gas, 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 gas. He has no clue we're here. Huh? Gas, flat out. Gas, 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 gas. He was past going to it. Gas, 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 gas. Go for it. Go for a race there. Let's see. Let's see who wins. Come on.
We beat the GTE. No,
GTS.
GTS.
Yeah.